What's up, Katak mates? Welcome back to our YouTube channel where you watch as we elaborate the discussions that you are looking for. Today in Tugon sa Dunong Science, we will go through the journey about what lies beneath the earth, its internal structures, or the layers of the earth. So, have you ever questioned yourself about what does our earth is made of, or how does the scientists found out the internal structures of the earth? Those questions will be answered throughout this video. So sit back, listen, and enjoy. Before we start, here's our objectives. First is at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to name the 4 layers of the earth, identify the boundaries that lies between the layers of the earth, and lastly is to differentiate the layers of the earth. So let's start. Among the planets in the solar system, the earth is said to be the perfect planet. Earth is where life ceases to exist. It provides the basic needs of the people in order to survive, and it also contains water forms and land forms. In Earth, there are internal structures that makes the Earth livable. The first layer I will discuss is the crust. Crust covers the mantle and is the Earth's hard outer shell. It is a surface on which we are living, and it can be classified into 2, oceanic crust and continental crust. So the crust or the lithosphere is the Earth's outer layer that is made up of silicate rock materials. The discontinuity that lies between the upper crust and lower crust is the conorod discontinuity. Next layer is the mantle. Mantle is the largest layer of the Earth, and in this layer the volcano magma is present. It is divided into 2 sections, the upper section and the lower section. The upper section is much cooler than the lower section. The discontinuity that lies between the lower crust and upper mantle is Moravicki discontinuity, and the discontinuity that lies between the upper mantle and the lower mantle is Repetti. So moving on to the outer core. The outer core can be regarded as a ball of very hot metals. It is liquid and it is made up of iron and nickel. As the Earth rotates, the outer core spins over the inner core and generates magnetic field, which is responsible for the functionality of magnetic compass. So the discontinuity that lies between the lower mantle and the outer core is Gutenberg discontinuity, which was named after Benno Gutenberg. The last layer is the inner core. Inner core is the innermost layer of the Earth. It is characterized by extremely high temperature and pressure conditions. The intense heat from the inner core mobilizes the materials of the outer core and the mantle. The discontinuity that lies between the outer core and the inner core is Lehmann discontinuity. Did you know that nobody has taken the journey to the center of the Earth, but by studying the shock waves from the earthquakes that travels through the planet, the scientist was able to work out its library structure. This is the end of my discussion, but this is not the end of your learning, knowledge, and wisdom. I hope I have answered all your questions and you have enjoyed learning with me. This is Tech Stella at your service. See you on the next episode, Katak mates!